my lovelies. So today I'm coming at you guys with a video featuring my sister. This is actually my older sister. She's just shorter than me, so that's why I look so much bigger than her. But I'm so excited because finally my sister is going to try Byte. Excited. Pretty much you guys have been asking me so many questions about my teeth. I fixed my teeth over a year and a half ago. Actually, it's gonna be 2 years pretty soon, so as you can see, my teeth are still straight. For the people who are asking me if I refer anybody to Byte or if I suggest this for friends and family, I definitely do. So today we're gonna be doing my sister's impression kit. Of course, if you wanna get Byte for the new year, because, you know, why not have straight teeth for the new year?
Exactly.
If you wanna have straight teeth for the new year, you could use my code LINDAELAINE. I'll put it right here. That code will literally take your impression box right here from $95 all the way down to $25. So you already instantly start saving money by using that code, and you know, yeah. We're gonna do the same process that we did for my teeth about almost 2 years ago. So yeah, let's get into it. We're gonna follow these instructions that it comes with. Ready?
I'm ready.
You're gonna get 4 of the dark color, and then you're gonna get 4 of the light color. Then in this box, you're gonna get your stretcher for your mouth as well as your gloves. So I'm gonna hand you these. Here are her trays. You wanna see if it feels right now? There ain't no being cute. You gotta get in there. Perfect.
Oh God.
You can take it out. Okay, now the fun begins. So now we're gonna take a light and a dark, pop those bad boys open. So she has a red and a white, and now you're gonna mix those two together for 30 seconds. Set a timer for 29 seconds. All right, time's up. Now
okay.
Roll it into 4 inches.
Okay. Bro, some of it's hanging on. God.
Good. All right, tell me when you're ready to start the timer. Set a timer for 3.5 minutes. Now. Now we wait.
Oh Lord.
Oh God. Let me get your favorite towel. Okay. I don't know what you said, but okay. I don't know what you said. Stop talking. That's a lot of spit, bro. You sound like you slurping water. It's not okay. Okay, you can take them out.
Whoa.
You have so much spit. I wish y'all could see the love. Oh my God. Yo. Oh my God. Let me take her clean one out the box. Oh my, it's gonna be soggy. Now we're gonna do the bottom. Three minutes and 30 seconds. Countdown is now beginning. 3, 2, 1, settle. Alright, so we're just gonna repeat this process for her other 2 impressions, and we'll be right back. So we just finished her impressions right here, and we're gonna just close this box and add her packing slip in the box. Now we're just gonna pack her impressions in her priority mail. This is already prepaid and it comes with your kit. Now we're gonna do her selfies. We finished her photos. Now we're gonna schedule this for a pickup, and that is pretty much it. So you're gonna have your aligners in like 4 to 6 weeks, and I'm excited for her, and I'm excited for you if you decide to get Byte.
Excited.
Definitely use code LINDAELAINE right here. Again, you get your impression box for $25 to get started on your Byte aligners versus paying $95. So use it, and I'm excited for you guys. I still got straight teeth. Sorry. Okay.
Oh no, baby, what is you doing?
And I'm excited for my sister. This is her Christmas gift. So boom, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas to you. So I hope you guys have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you lovelies later. Deuces.